Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So, in this video, we will discussion continue with previous year questions from West Bengal Civil Service Examination, and the topic যেটাতে আমরা focus করব এটা হচ্ছে General Studies এর paper. So, এই ভিডিওতে আমরা কয়েকটা question নিব from the previous years, যেটাকে আমরা in detail discuss করব with the right answer and possibly some important points pertaining to the same. So, আমি এটা suggest করব আপনাদেরকে প্রত্যেকটা question যেগুলো আমরা discuss করব with the right options গুলোকে kindly note করে নেওয়ার জন্য, so that things become easier for you whenever you go for revision or further read on the similar sort of topics further down the line. Okay? Now, having said that, I'm going to start off with question number 138 থেকে 138 থেকে and we'll continue till 141. So let's start off. The government imposes taxes to, so basically government taxes can impose kore. One, to check accumulation of the wealth among the rich. Two, run the machinery of the state. Three, uplift weaker section. And four, none of the above. So option right hobe second, to run the machinery of the state. Okay, primary purpose of taxation is to raise revenue to meet the huge public expenditure. Most governmental expenditure must be financed by taxation, but it is not the only goal. In other words, taxation policy has some non-revenue objectives. Truly speaking, in the modern world, taxation is used as an instrument of economic policy. It affects the total volume of production, consumption, investment, choice of industrial location, techniques, and balance of parameters, distribution of incomes, etc. ঠিক আছে? So with that said, আমরা move করে যাব এখন question number 139 এ. So 139, in India, which of the following affects poverty line the most? So India the poverty line কে মানে কোন ফ্যাক্টরটা সবচেয়ে বেশি affect করে? So আমাদের options হচ্ছে গিয়ে level of prices, 2 production quantum, option 3 per capita income, and option 4 quantum of gold reserve. So the right answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে per capita income. So amongst the given operations, per capita income affects the most to the poverty line. Growth elasticity of poverty, or GEP, is a percentage reduction in poverty rates associated with the percentage change in means per capita income. This implies that 1% increase per capita income is associated with a 3% decrease in poverty rate, proportion to people living in less than $1 per day. So that was all about 139. Next up, we'll go to question number 140. Which of the following are the main causes for slow rate of growth of per capita income in India? So India's slow growth rate of per capita income er reason ki? So চারটা statement দেওয়া আছে. Statement 1 বলছে high capital output ratio, or statement 2 high capital of growth of population, a high rate of growth of population, option 3 high rate of capital formation, or option 4 or statement 4, sorry my bad, high level of fiscal deficit. এখন আমাদের options হচ্ছে গিয়ে option 1 যেটা হচ্ছে statement 1 or 2 are the reason, option 2 হচ্ছে statement 2, 3 and 4 are the reason, statement 3 বলছে 1 and 4 are the reason, and statement 4 বলছে all of the above. তো একটুখানি ডিটেইলে এটাকে জেনে নিব. All of the above mentioned facts are the reasons behind the slow growth rate of per capita income in India. As per first advance estimate of the nation income 2016-17 released by the Central Statistic Office, or CSO, the per capita income during 2016-2017 is to estimated to rupees 10307 at current prices. So that is all of the following will be the reason for the same. And lastly, we'll head over to question number 141. National Sample Survey Organization was established in, so basically NSSO, or the National Sample Survey, এটা কোন বছরে established হয়েছিল? Option 1 1947, option 2 1948, option 3 1949, and option 4 1950. So right answer হবে 1950 তে. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video. So hopefully প্রত্যেকটা questions আর points যেগুলো আমরা discuss করেছি ওগুলোকে আপনারা important points হিসেবে নোট করে নিয়ে চলবে. You can just take the screenshot of the same, or you can save the video as well. So either way, whichever is convenient to you, আপনারা ওটাকে save করে নিতে পারেন বা নোট করে নিতে পারেন. Okay. Now, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so they will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said and done, I'm sign out for you. Thank you so much.